Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have a very exciting review and it is the new glowy highlighter in Sapphire Blue. The reason why I'm so excited with this because I personally feel that OLENS rarely release any blue colors. Like on the top of my head, I just know of 4 other blue colors that they have released the whole entire time that I know of OLENS. So when they released another blue, I was so stoked, and I just find that even this one is also like very rare and unique looking. First of all, I just want to mention the diameter is 13.1mm, and I personally feel with this glowy collection the colors are expanding because of the popularity. And yeah, it's just a unique contact lens with the crescent moon I've mentioned before. I feel like this is one of the original contact lens that released the crescent moon design first before any other brands, or also even OLENS itself. This collection makes this crescent moon so unique. With this one, they have already released other colors, which I will briefly show you guys at the end of this video as well, because I feel like the last time I did the first glowy collection, they have already released like 2 other colors including this, so I thought I will mention the colors in this video as well if you guys don't want to watch my other videos. This Sapphire Blue, again, it is 13.1mm, and what I find unique with this color is I like how dark looking it is, but also how bright it is as well. From looking at other people putting it on, I can see that it really emphasized the Sapphire Blue color on the eyes, whether you have dark eyes or light eyes, and I just like how bright it is but not too overwhelming. It does look like not so natural blue, you know, a lot of like blues that you have is more like aqua light or light blue light, or like, you know, the natural, you know, you're born that way blue type of eyes. This one is more like, I find it like midnight blue, you know, it's so mystical as well, and again like Sapphire Blue itself, but I really love it because it really combine really well with the darkness of the overall contact lens, especially the black itself. Looking at the design itself, I can see that on the outer part it has like this dark black outer rim. I personally feel like with this particular design, the crescent moon shape is not that obvious in this particular blue, because I can see that you can see that that crescent is like blue, right? But on the top it's like sort of thinning it out, so it's like sort of blend together. So I feel like with this one, if you guys are worried about the whole crescent moon moving around for the other colors in this collection, this particular blue, it doesn't really matter, it doesn't show, because I personally feel even if it show, it's not that bad because the blue is just like on your entire eyes, if that makes sense. So I feel like this one has more of a combination of black and blue. Not much gray to it, even though I did see a bit of gray color when, before I put on my eyes, but I don't see much on my eyes at all, which I don't mind because I absolutely love it. And I also like that it comes in one day. I love my one day contact lenses a lot, just because I don't use contact lenses that often. So when they release this one day, it just means that I can use it for a longer period of time, whereas if I use like 1 month, I will only be using like once or twice before I have to chuck it out again. So yeah, so those are my thoughts on this blue. It's honestly so beautiful, so beautiful. I love it so much. Now I'm going to jump into the other colors that are in the glowy collection. First one is the black one, and this one has like a black rim as well, and when you go in, it has a combination of like lighter black and dark gray on the top, and the crescent moon itself is a golden brown color. With this particular black, I feel like amongst all the other colors, this particular black gives the most obvious crescent look in the contact lens. Next is the brown one, which I absolutely love before they released the olive and the Sapphire Blue. This brown was one that I tend to go for very often. It gives such a beautiful puppy eye effect. When you put it on, it has a unique chocolate brown outer rim, which I think is a good combo with what's on the inside. The inside has a combo of like crescent golden light brown on the bottom, and then on the upper part you get a bit of a toned down brown compared to the outer rim. Next you get ash gray, and this one has a combination of black, gray and olive. This one also I feel like it's a bit different from the black and brown because it's ash gray, split up the design a little bit more, and the crescent moon is like an olive shade, which is unique, and then the other part you get an ash gray, so it's such a unique combo. Last but not least was their second to the latest one that they released recently. This is the golden olive, which I absolutely love. This one has an olive highlight, and then going in you get that golden brown base, but I like that it's very subtle and dreamy looking because of it gives you like this olive shade but also has like dark chocolate brown border. It's just a beautiful combo. So if I have to rank all of the glowy collection that I have, which was my favorite and my least favorite, is honestly really hard because I feel like all of the colors I love. I really am impressed with all of the colors, but if I have to be really hard to myself, I would say number one now would be the sapphire blue because of the uniqueness and I can see myself using it really often. Number two would be golden olive. Then number three would be the brown. Fourth would be black, and fifth would be ash gray. Let me know what you guys think of this sapphire blue because honestly it is so gorgeous. Like if they can release like maybe a pink one next, would be really awesome, or even like this like a pink peachy shade, I would think that it would be really unique. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.